Removal. Step 1. Prepping for shock removal. Set the steering to straight ahead. Raise the vehicle. Remove the front wheel. Removal. Step 2. Remove the shock assembly. Locate the top of the shock assembly and disconnect the electrical connector. Remove the 3 wire clips and top mounting nuts. Remove the 2 lower mounting bolts. Loosen, do not remove, the sway bar end link hardware. Carefully remove the shock assembly from the vehicle. Removal. Step 3. Shock disassembly. Release the clip and remove the top electrical connector and shock rod stem. Carefully compress the coil spring. Remove the top shock nut. Remove the top mounting plate, offset plate, and rubber isolator. Carefully release the spring pressure and remove the coil spring, spacer washer, and bump stop. Install. Step 1. New shock reassembly. Remove supplied hardware. Install the OE bump stop, spacer, and coil spring. Carefully compress the coil spring and install the OE top mounting plate, offset plate, and isolator. Install and tighten the top shock nut. Install. Step 2. Shock assembly installation. Install the new shock assembly into the vehicle. Tighten the sway bar end link. Install and tighten the lower mounting bolts. Install and tighten the top mounting bolts. Reconnect the wire clips. Install the coil sensor. Tighten until secure and connect to sensor. Install. Step 3. Finishing the installation. Install the wheel. Lower the vehicle to standard vehicle height from the lifting platform. Reconnect the battery.